Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry fan 64 here. It's now time to do a movie review slash rant on the movie Fantastic Four, the 2015 movie, or as it's sometimes known as Fant Four Stick. And I have to admit, I regret watching this movie. The only reason why I watched this movie was because it had Miles Teller in it, and the other reason was that I'm a huge Fantastic Four fan. I'm a huge fan of the first two, the ones that starred Jessica Alba. I prefer those over this pile of rotten garbage. And let me start off by saying this movie sucks. This movie definitely sucks. I was planning on getting this movie on DVD, but maybe I might get it to complete the collection, but I highly doubt I'm going to get this atrocity of a movie. This movie was so bad that it almost killed it pretty much killed the Fantastic Four franchise. And I'm starting to have I'm starting to not have high hopes for the new Fantastic Four movie that's coming out by Marvel Studios. I'm not really looking forward to it. And this movie killed my interest in the Fantastic Four movies. It pretty much destroyed the franchise. It's a disgrace to the Fantastic Four movies. I'm trying to not lose my cool, but this movie was so stupid. And what a mess it is. It's a huge mess. And not even Miles Teller could save this movie. I think, honestly, the only redeemable factor in this movie is that Miles Teller is in it. I don't understand why Miles Teller was in this. He's a great actor, don't get me wrong, I love Miles Teller. But this is a step down to Miles Teller. And other than that, there's no other redeemable factors about this movie. This movie was so stupid. And it's probably the 100 minutes from hell, actually. It's still probably the worst 100 minutes of my life. This movie was so bad, so yeah, because of that, I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. I know I'm being kind of too harsh on this. I hated this more than critics did. And I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10, and I'm going to give it and it's pretty obvious, I'm going to give it an F. For freaking terrible. That's what I'm going to say. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10 and an F. This movie was one of the worst Marvel movies since Howard the Duck. This movie was just stupid, and I give it 2 thumbs down. This movie deserves 2 thumbs down. So yeah, that is it for my review to the movie Fant Four Stick, or Fantastic Four, the 2015 movie, in which I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you're generous enough, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe, plus it really helps out. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye everybody, adios.